Turn around in the water. Hey, mine's going to do the same now. I got him in the water, I don't know if I got him going in. Hey, you're not alone now.
I know.
Hey, you wanted to go off-roading?
Hey, vape on the floor.
Vape?
Vape. Is that your vape?
Oh, yeah.
I would bend down, but I can't get it, mate.
Stay. Well spotted.
Well, I'm getting out of here. We go back out, yeah?
Get it to the road. As we go back.
Can't stop on the fucking hill.